Hello friends, welcome to All is Well Shete. I am here Shweta Sharma with you all. Today I am just showing you my tuition classes, my running tuition classes. How do I teach them? You can see some environment of my tuition. What is the environment of my tuition? Because yesterday I heard that someone told about my videos that I just played games in tuition classes, but that was not true because that was Saturday evening. I just uploaded some videos related to my students. That was just Saturday evening tuition classes. So Saturday evening we just do some activities, but today this is Monday and we are ongoing tuition classes, and you can see how my students do their work.
All metals and non-metals have some physical and chemical properties.
He's Abhijot, he is reading. Are you reading?
Her brain also
Okay,
have
do your work.
chemical properties, like it's having white color and
Hello,
brown,
Weber.
brown.
What
and
are you doing?
orange print on it. So these are properties, physical properties of it. And chemical
Okay,
properties is
just do your
how
work.
they react. Like they are combing a egg and putting it. That's
Hello.
chemical reaction.
What are you doing? क्या कर रहे हो? काम. Okay, करो. This is his work. He's doing
And
some.
we are just
uh,
all metals and non-metals have some physical and
You can see
we,
he's doing
we can differentiate them by
writing,
using
counting.
All right, like we can differentiate.
You can
I
see
have
his
also
writing.
weird hairband and she's also weird. We can differentiate.
After watching this video,
physical
please
properties,
comment
like
that
little tiny.
how
and
is
it's
my
having
cute
both prints are
Harshit's
have
writing.
the same colors of the hairband. I am having the black and she's
This
having
is
the white.
Miss
These are the physical
Yashika
properties that we
Sharma.
can differentiate.
Yashika, in which
Because I
class
have
do you
a
read?
black hairband and she's
Fifth
really
class.
We can
Okay, what's your
differentiate
hobbies?
them. All right.
I'm watching cartoons.
Okay,
Only
watching cartoon?
Fifth of the
No,
elements are
I'm-
together.
you have in which hobbies you are interested in?
Simple living and high thing.
No, that was your okay. You like simple living and high thing. That is your hobbies.
Yes.
Okay, so hobbies are related to your games. Which type of games you are interested in?
I'm planting and
Okay.
crafting.
Okay.
Properties
So
related
she
to
is
building
doing.
structures are called physical
Yashika, what are
properties.
board
Appearance-
massums? Okay, okay,
appearance
okay.
is
Board
the things are
massums.
we
Okay, do.
showing, like her hairband have prints on it.
Tomorrow is your test.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here you are in fifth class, Yashika, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Appearance and structure
And
are called physical properties.
these are eighth
When how
class
they react
student,
with other metals
and
and
they are
non-metals
reading.
are called their chemical properties. Let us study in the physical and chemical properties of the metals and non-metals in this chapter. We can just these are the properties of metals and these are of non-metals. These are physical properties, like what the appearance is. Metals are shiny in appearance. This property of metal is called luster. Luster means shiny material or something like that. Non-metals do not have luster. They do not shine like metals. We can say gold do have luster. They shine. And non-metal like wood, they do not have luster and they do not shine. Metals are generally hard. Sodium and potassium are the soft. All metals mostly exist in the solid state except mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Metals are generally hard. They do not have soft and liquid compositions. Sodium and potassium are the only soft composition. All metals mostly exist in solid form. Only in solid form, and except mercury. Mercury is the liquid and at room temperature. They are brittle and break when hit with.
Let me interrupt you in between just because of this video. You are reading about
Metals and non-metals.
metals and non-metal. If we ask you what is the common difference between metal and non-metal?
Metals are the things that we can find under the ground or the under earth, and non-metals are the things we can find everywhere. All the things we have are non-metals, like this chair, the wood, and some of these
Okay.
examples.
How can we recognize this is the metal and this is not? This is non-metal.
Metals have luster and non-metals do not have luster.
Very
They
good.
are
Luster.
not
What is luster? What?
The shiny appearance.
Okay. So shine. Okay. Thank you, beta. So these are students of 8th class, and they are discussing about
Metals and non-metals.
chapter name.
metals and non-metals are the chapter name. We are discussing about physical properties of metal and non-metals.
Okay. So these are my tuition classes, friends. You can see, and just tell me. Oh, now this is Krishna. Krishna, I will ask you something. Are you ready for that? Tell me yes or no. No, don't say. Don't tell me. Yes or no? No, nod. Please nod. Yes or no, Krishna? Yes or no, bolo. Speak yes or no, Krishna. Acha, okay. Say hello to everyone. Krishna, are you ready? Krishna, are you ready?
That's not electric.
Krishna, are you ready?
That's not technical. Yeah, that's
Oh
not.
my God.
That's not.
Krishna, I'm not playing with you. Krishna, I'm not playing with you.
All right. The density
Krishna?
and metals density are.
Everyone is watching you,
We
beta.
can.
Just Krishna. Okay, just give me answer of one question. Krishna, give me answer of one question. Then you can go at home.
Metals, smoke,
Krishna,
high
if you give me one answer, you will go home. Okay. Just tell me,
density. They are brittle and.
Krishna, national animal.
break when hit hard with
Krishna, who is our national animal?
wood. Like
Who is our national animal?
can be hit and can be broken.
I think peacock. Krishna, I think peacock is our national animal. Krishna.
They do not.
So friends, he is not answering my questions, so it's okay. He's in naughty mood. So okay, bye bye. So tell me that about my classes. Do you like my tuition classes? Bye bye, friends.